and blessed morning to everyone present here. Today, we, the students of classes 6, 7 and 8, gather to celebrate the festival of love, joy, hope and giving. Yes, you guessed it right by looking at the wonderful decorations all around. It's the festival of Christmas.
Christmas reminds us of kindness, gratitude, peace, and spreading smiles. So let us begin this special assembly dedicated to the spirit of Christmas.
To begin this beautiful day with positivity, let us join our hands and close our eyes for the morning prayer. Now it's time for the thought of the day, which will inspire us to make the season meaningful. Now I would like to invite Hunar and Igdash of class 6B for the same.
Good morning, everyone. The thought of the day is Christmas is the season that reminds us even the smallest act of kindness can light up someone's world. I repeat, Christmas is the season that reminds us even the smallest act of kindness can light up someone's world.
This thought teaches us that Christmas is not only about celebrations or decorations. Its real beauty lies in the kindness we share to others. A smile, a helping hand, a kind word, or sharing what we may feel small. But it can bring happiness and hope to someone who needs it. Just like a tiny candle can brighten an entire room, a small act of kindness can brighten someone's life. When we choose kindness, we create a chain of positivity that spreads far beyond us. This is the true spirit of Christmas.
Thank you.
The latest happenings around us. Please welcome our news readers. National News by Arshit Veer 8B, International News by Dev Nanda 8B, Sports News by Har Sahaj 8B, and Weather Report by Sukhmeen 8B.
Today's international news headlines are Thailand and Cambodia to resume ceasefire talks after deadly border clashes. Russian general killed in car bomb in Moscow. China hosts Latin American leaders in move to deepen ties amid US tariff war. Ukraine drone attack damages two vessels in Russia's Krasnodar.
Good morning, everyone. Today's national news headlines are: gunfire caused tensions in Manipur. India gets the remaining 3 attacked Boeing helicopters which were not given to them. India says that the goal of using only green energy will be achieved before 2070.
Good morning, everyone. Today's sports headlines are: India puts up an amazing performance by defeating South Africa by 38 runs in their latest match. Lionel Messi visited India on his latest tour, inspiring young footballers and talking about the welfare of the future of football. Real Madrid Football Club announces new team as Xabi Alonso stays as the head coach. As per today, Kylian Mbappe breaks Cristiano Ronaldo's record of 59 goals in 58 games.
Good morning everyone. Today's weather forecast is: the maximum temperature is 22 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 9 degrees Celsius. Today the sun rose at 7:17 am and will set at 5:27 pm. The humidity is 96% and the AQI is poor, that is 276, and the wind blows at a speed of 10 km per hour. Visibility today is for 2.41 kilometers.
Next we present an heartwarming poem on Christmas, the season of life. Please give a big round of applause for the girls of class 6, 7 and 8.
It is soft and bright. The world is dressed in silver light. The bells are ringing far and near, announcing joy, the season is here. A starman shone in skies above, a symbol pure of peace and love. It guided wise men through the night toward a manger glowing bright.
In that small stable, quiet and mild,
Mary smiled like a newborn child,
a tiny babe in a bed of hay.
whose love still guides our hearts today. The angels sang with voices clear, let hope and goodwill conquer fear. Shepherds left their fields at night to witness heaven's shining light. But Christmas isn't just a tale. Of guiding stars or snowy trails. It lives in us, in how we share. In every act of love and care.
Each gift we give, each smile we show,
Makes kindness bloom and goodness grow.
for Christmas isn't wrapped in things.
It's found in joy that sharing brings. So let us spread this cheer around. Where sadness lies, let hope be found. Where someone's lonely, be their friend. Where bitterness lives, let kindness mend. Let laughter home the winter air. Let giving be the way we care. For when we help, support and cheer, we bring the Christmas spirit near.
And as this festive day draws close,
May peace surround the ones we love most.
may every heart feel warm and bright.
This is the magic of Christmas night.
And as this festive day draws close,
May peace surround the ones we love most. May every heart feel warm and bright. This is the magic of Christmas night. This is the magic of Christmas night. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
is alive.
Now we present a short play showing